raw data of a photograph or image varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. One camera manufacturer may use one format to store the raw data. The other one may use the completely different format. So basically, there is no standard way to store the raw data. But you can open almost any raw file in Adobe. Adobe systems have come up with their own extension .dng, and that is the file that we have downloaded from their website. Again, you can click the photo yourself from your camera, or you can go on Google and search for any other DNG file. Now, we are selecting these two images and we are just opening them in Adobe Camera Raw. As you can see, the first one is our DNG file, which is the raw file. From here, you can see the size of this file is pretty large because the data that is captured from the camera is stored in an unprocessed way. So this file contains all the details of the photograph taken. While you select the same image in JPG format, the size of the file is reduced, and the reason for that is the file has been compressed. So let's experience the difference. If you put your cursor on the image, there will be a magnifying icon that shows that if you click here, it will zoom in. So let's zoom in a little bit. This is our JPG file, and let me increase the exposure, and I am increasing it by +90. So in this way, we have made the image a little more exposed. As you can see, the clarity of the file is not that much because we have lost some of the details here. So the file is not that much clear. Let's go to the DNG file and do the same with the 90-point exposure. You can see the difference here. The detailing is much more clear and the image represents much more detail. So this way, the .dng file, which is the raw file, will carry more information and more details about the image than the compressed or processed JPG file. So it is always a good idea to keep the raw image with yourself along with keeping the JPG file. From the very next tutorial, we are going to learn some of the tricks and techniques that you can perform in Camera Raw to adjust and enhance your photographs and images.